Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to learn to knit this very beautiful and pretty knitting stitch pattern. This pattern will be great for a baby's sweater, cardigan especially. It looks very beautiful in your baby's sweater, and also you can knit this in your lady's cardigan and baby's blanket. This is how it looks like. See, it looks so pretty. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is 24 rows repeat pattern, and 12 plus 12 24. I have done 1.5 repeat here. This is 1 repeat and this is half repeat, right? So this is 24 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast in multiples of 12 and plus 6 extra stitches, multiples of 12 12 12 12 and plus 6 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For the demonstration I have 20 stitches on my needle, which is 12 plus 6 18 and plus 12 plus 6 extra stitches 18 and plus 2 edge stitches 20, right? And now we're going to start. So I'm going to demonstrate without this border. If you want to learn to knit this border, then I'll leave the link in the description box below. So now row 1 right side, this is going to be our right side. So row 1 right side, you knit all stitches. You finish your row 1 with all knit stitches. Row 2 wrong side, slip your first edge stitch and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern you purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the repeat pattern from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done purl 6 2 4 6 and knit 6 2 4 6. This is the repeat pattern, and you're gonna repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. We don't have enough stitches for another repeat. Now we're gonna knit our last 7 stitches. So after you finish your all repeats, if you have more repeats, you repeat that first, and after you finish your all repeats, at last you will have 7 stitches left on your left hand needle with your edge stitch 2 4 6 7. Now for these 7 stitches, after you finish your repeats, for these 7 stitches you purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and purl your last edge stitch. This is your edge stitch. Row 3, for row 3 you knit all stitches, slip your first edge stitch as if to knit and knit all stitches. Row 4, for row 4 we're going to knit edge row 2, slip your first edge stitch and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern you purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5, 6. That's the repeat pattern. And after you finish your all repeats, at last, for the last 7 stitches, you purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and purl the last edge stitch. Row 5. For row 5, you slip your first edge stitch and then start the repeat. For repeat pattern, you knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and knit these 2 purl stitches, 1, 2, slip 2, 1, 2, and knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, knit 6, 2, 4, 6, knit 2, slip 2, and knit 2. And after you finish your repeats, for your last 7 stitches, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and knit your last edge stitch. Row 6. For row 6, you purl all stitches. Row 7, knit your first edge stitch and then start the repeat. Knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and then knit 2, 1, 2, and now we're going to make 5 stitches in one into these 2 stitches 2 times. So we're going to make 5 here, 1, 2, bring the yarn in front, that's going to create 1 stitch here, 2, 3, 4, 5. One time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, one time and one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, for repeat pattern, we have done knit 6, 2, 4, 6, knit 2, and make 5 in 1 2 times, 1, 2, and then knit 2. And you're going to repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish your all repeats, for your last 7 stitches, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and knit your last edge stitch. Row 8. For row 8, you purl all these purl stitches and you slip these 10 stitches. You slip only these stitches and purl your all purl stitches. So slip your first edge stitch and then start the repeat. For repeat pattern, you purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then purl this 2, 1, 2, and then slip this 5, 1, and this 5, 2, and then purl these 2 stitches, 1, 2. That's the repeat pattern. Purl 6, 2, 4, 6, purl 2, slip 10 and purl 2. And after you finish all repeats, for the last 7 stitches, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and purl your last as stitch. Row 9, slip your first as stitch and then start the repeat. For repeat pattern, you knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and now you're gonna bring these 5 stitches here from the front side. So insert your right hand needle into these 5 stitches and slip these 2 stitches off and then put it back, 1, 2 and then you bring these 5 stitches here and place it on your left hand needle and then you knit these 5 stitches together through the back loop. See? And then knit these 2 stitches, 1, 2 and here you're going to bring these 2 stitches here from the back side. This time from the back side, insert into these 2 stitches and slip these 5 stitches off and put them back and you bring these 2 stitches here and place these 2 stitches on your left hand needle and then knit these 2, 1, 2 and then knit these 5 stitches through the front loop together. So that's the repeat pattern. Knit 6, 2, 4, 6 and these 6 stitches and after you finish all repeats for a last 7 stitches, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and knit your last edge stitch. Row 10, for row 10 you purl all stitches row 11, for row 11 you knit all stitches row 12, for row 12 you purl all stitches row 13 knit all stitches So we have finished our row 13 here and now on row 14 we're going to alternate this part. Now we're going to knit this part here and this part here. So row 14, slip your first edge stitch as if to purl and then start the repeat. For repeat pattern you knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and purl 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeat pattern. Here to here. For repeat pattern we have the knit 6, 2, 4, 6 and purl 6, 2, 4, 6 and after you finish your all repeats for the last 7 stitches 2, 4, 6, 7 you knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then purl last edge stitch. Row 15. For row 15 you knit all stitches. Row 16. For row 16 we're going to knit edge row 14. Slip your first edge stitch and then start the repeat. For repeat pattern, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and purl 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again that's the repeat pattern, and after you finish all repeats, for your last 7 stitches knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and purl your last edge stitch. Row 17. For row 17 you slip your first edge stitch and then start the repeat. For repeat pattern you knit 2, 1, 2, slip 2, 1, 2, knit 2 again, 1, 2 and then knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here for repeat pattern we have done knit 2, slip 2, knit 2 and knit 6. And for the last 7 stitches knit 2, 1, 2, slip 2, knit 2 again and knit your last edge stitch. Row 18, purl all stitches. Row 19, slip your edge stitch and then start the repeat. For repeat pattern you knit 2, 1, 2 and make 5 in one stitch for these 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then knit 2, 1, 2 and after knit 2 knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's repeat pattern. For repeat pattern we have done knit 2, make 5 in 1 2 times, 1, 2, knit 2 and then knit 6, 2, 4, 6 and after you finish all repeats for the last 7 stitches knit 2, 1, 2, make 5 in 1 2 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and knit 2, 1, 2, knit your last edge stitch. Row 20. For row 20 you purl all these purl stitches and slip these 10 stitches. slip your first as stitch and then purl 2, start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, you purl 2, 1, 2, and then slip these 10 stitches, 5, 5, 10, and purl 2, 1, 2, and purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeat pattern. From here to here, purl 2, slip 10, purl 2, and purl 6, 2, 4, 6. And after you finish all repeats, for a last 10 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14, and plus 1, 15. For a last 15 stitches, you purl 2, 1, 2, and slip 10, 5 plus 5, 10, and purl 2, 1, 2, purl a last edge stitch. Row 21, slip your first edge stitch and then start the repeat. For repeat pattern, you bring these 5 stitches here from the front side and knit these 5 stitches together through the back loop, and then knit 2, 1, 2, and now bring these 2 stitches here from the back side, and then you knit these 2 stitches first, 1, 2, and then you knit these 5 stitches together through the back loop, and then knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeat pattern. These 6 stitches and these knit 6, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 15 stitches, you bring these 5 stitches here from the front side and knit it first, knit 2, 1, 2, and now you bring these 2 stitches here from the back side and knit 2, 1, 2, knit 5 stitches together through the front loop. And knit your last edge stitch. Row 22. For row 22, you purl all stitches. Row 23, knit all stitches. Row 24, last row, purl all stitches. So we have finished our last row, row 24 as well, and we have finished one repeat pattern here. Now it looks like this. See, this is one repeat. And now you repeat this 24 rows, your row 1 to row 24 over and over again until you reach your desired length, right? So please give it a thumbs up if you like this pattern, and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.